Okay, so in this video I thought I would just go through some of the corda stuff that I've been going through, just because it's there's quite a bit to it. So I'm starting off by this kotlin corda, and these are the packages. So we can see we've got the core one, the RPC, contracts, the corda and flows, node services, the vaults, transactions, and got some testing ones down here. So what I just wanted to do in this video is just go through a couple of these so we can see some of the classes that exist. So if we go into transactions just to begin with, okay, and then we've got driver down here as well, test utilities. So if we transactions, okay, so this is transaction builder is one class that comes up, and something that we would most likely use in a full system. And we can go into transaction builder here, and then we can see get various parts of this. So let's just see what it says here. The main thing I wanted to emphasize is this URL up here, and how the system is quite extensive, and how we can go through these different aspects of it. So these are the functions that we've allowed to put. So we've got something like verify. Okay, not much going on there. To ledger. Okay, so there's not no examples, or there doesn't seem to be any additional information here. Input states. I don't know why they've done a whole new page for that. They could have just put that information in there. But anyway, that's what they. Oh, it does say there. Okay. So that's transactions, and their transactions. And if we go to see what else we've got contracts. So command data used quite a bit with contracts, and we've got a settle down here. Ah, okay, so for this I've got a bit more information. Okay, going back to corda and cordap. Schedule flows. Okay, so this was meant to be just an intro into these packages, and this is how, using Kotlin, and this is how these systems will be built up. And we can see there's a lot of testing stuff here, and we can see they've classified these as finance, and then we've got these sort of core ones. Not sure what's in crypto. Okay, so they've actually put some, they've got SHA-256. So it looks like they've put in these for those that use Ethereum. These are some of the Ethereum functions. Of course they're used outside of Ethereum too, but Ethereum does use these. Let's see what else we've got. Ethereum actually uses KelCAD 256, I think, and which is not exactly SHA-256, but they call it SHA-256. Okay, we've got signature here. So this is all part of the designing with Corda and implementing the systems, going through these packages and classes to work out how the information will flow and how payments can be made, and what based on the contract what conditions will exist. So this is just an intro video.